I'm Dave MacHattie, Mink veterinarian in Middleton, Nova Scotia, in the beautiful Annapolis Valley. I've been practicing for 30 years now as a veterinarian, and now I'm doing roughly half large animals, cattle and beef, dairy, and the other half mink. I've been doing mink for about 15 years now. The mink industry in Nova Scotia is quite a large industry. We have probably half the mink of all of Canada there. Our estimates are about 1.8 million in Nova Scotia, and between the 4 Atlantic provinces, probably 2.2, 2.4 million mink. So we have a lot of mink in the Maritimes. The mink industry is a bit of a hidden industry. There's heavy biosecurity. We don't have people touring the farms. You can't see the animals outside like you see cattle grazing. So everything's kind of hidden, which I think gets a lot of misconceptions. The most common ones I run into is that the way the animals are euthanized or killed is inhumane, and that's a complete fallacy. They're one of the most humane ones of all the industries I deal with. They're killed within 30 seconds with carbon monoxide. They're taken out of their cage, and in 30 seconds they're dead. Whereas other industries have to go through a lot longer procedure on that, which isn't as humane. It always surprises me when the kits are born. They're only little pink things about this big, weigh 10, 12 grams. And I see ranchers sitting there holding them in their hands, taking care of them. How are we going to save this one? Its mother's not taking care of it. What are we going to do with it? They're nursing it back. They're keeping it warm, giving it fluids, giving it milk from another one, finding another mother that'll take care of it. They really care about their mink. They really like them a lot. And I think that's the biggest misconception that I see in my industry, is that people don't believe that they like them that much. I think general public are quite surprised, especially in my case where I spend so much time with mink, that the health of the mink is so important, that these animals are being raised for the furs, but we have to keep them extremely healthy, and anything we can do to make them healthier, happier, is going to make our end product better. That we vaccinate them once or twice a year, just like you do your pet cat or dog. We have the veterinarians come in on a routine basis and check the animals to make sure things are healthy. They have a relationship with their veterinarian so that if something happens that they're not happy with, we're a phone call away. Give us a call, tell us what's going on. We know what their farms are like. So we take good care of them. Granted, the numbers are higher, but we take care of them just like you would your pets, because these animals are very important to us in their health. 30 to 40% of the food that we give these mink are waste products that would normally go to a landfill. And now the products are coming out. We harvest the pelt off them, and then the rest of the products are used for biofuel, for composting, making electricity now in Nova Scotia, not going back to landfill sites. The manure is fantastic for our agricultural land. I'm in the Annapolis Valley, a very heavily agricultural area. We have a shortage of livestock in Annapolis Valley. Far too much cropland. We need the manure. The agricultural commodity of mink is just a fantastic balance within the industry.